How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be watching Anitta speak in English. Certainly we can learn a lot by her accent because she can speak fast and she is Brazilian. Para quem fala português, esse vídeo vai ser interessante. Anitta. I thought it would be interesting to try to dive deep into her accent just because. Let's go.
I've done a lot of plastic surgeries, but not this, so I didn't have.
I've done a lot of plastic surgeries. I like the way that she says that I done. It's not I've done. It's pretty cool.
They butt it up.
What'd you do?
I reduced my boobs. I had giant boobs when I was a teenager, so I reduced it. What?
Nothing.
It's too big. What do you mean? I had boobs for 4 girls. I could literally donate.
Hey, your choice. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Do you like boys?
Yeah, boys and girls.
Really?
Notice the way that they talk. Did you have boyfriend? Did you have any boyfriends? Did you have a boyfriend?
Yeah. I don't have any.
Have you ever had a boyfriend before?
Yeah.
Have you ever had a boyfriend? Have you ever had?
Yes.
How many?
Uncountables. A lot.
A lot.
What's the right amount of boyfriends to have at one time?
At one time, I think one.
Just one?
Yeah, I think one.
What do you think, Lenny Balls?
Pay attention to this. The way she says I think. Pretty good actually, because contrary to popular Brazilian accent, most Brazilians, they struggle to pronounce the th. They say I think. So the way that she puts it out, pretty nice. I think, just like think like a proper American.
What's something about you that you don't want people to know? That it could ruin your career if they find out?
That I have so many boyfriends and that. I'm joking. I don't care about that. Wow.
I don't care about that.
There's nothing you can tell our audience that you don't want people to know about you? Just one little nugget?
There is, but should I talk about that?
It's a segment.
Notice how the way that she removes the T when she's saying but, very American.
We always do on our show. It's called Skeletons in My Closet.
That's a lie.
Do you mind if we do a new segment presented by Mamitas?
No, I don't.
It's called Skeletons in My Closet.
You just created that.
So on this segment, we do it every single show with every single guest.
It's a lie.
Anitta says something, a skeleton in her closet, she's never told anyone before.
No, a lot of people know it. I just don't know if I want to re-say it, but it's a bad, I mean, for sure you guys don't know it. I have a tattoo in my ass.
In?
Yeah, my ass.
In or on?
I don't know.
Okay.
So don't bring...
I have a tattoo in my ass. I have a tattoo. It's interesting because she also removes the DH in here. She don't say I have a tattoo in my. You don't want to know.
English situations now.
It just makes it a little bit of a difference. I'm not trying to make it complicated. It just makes a little bit of a difference.
I'm not trying to make it complicated.
On is up, and in is...
In's in.
And like it means that you gotta get a doctor to open. No, that's not. No, it's
I just
not.
want to clear it up.
No. On.
Okay, so you can see that from a little here and there, she has a pretty damn nice American accent, wouldn't you say so? I hope you guys liked this video, and comment down below for further questions, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Bye.